Transform your space with these 15 coolest gadgets that add style, convenience, and fun to your room. From smart lighting to innovative organizers, these picks are totally worth buying. 14th, Energy Wireless Charger. The Energy Wireless Charger transforms your furniture into a fast wireless charging station. This invisible charger mounts underneath a table or desk, enabling your phone to charge by simply placing it on the surface. It works through materials up to 1.57 inches thick, meaning it can be installed under wood, glass, or plastic. Ideal for home or office use, it reduces clutter by eliminating visible cables. With a sleek design and high-speed charging capabilities, this charger makes everyday life more convenient while keeping your space organized and stylish. 13th, Levitating Wireless Charger. This levitating wireless charger is a futuristic way to power your phone while keeping it suspended mid-air. It uses a special ultra-thin case that contains both an induction receiver for charging and a magnet for levitation. The base creates a powerful magnetic field, allowing the device to float and rotate. It stops charging when the battery is full, but continues to levitate. This charger supports devices up to 1.3 pounds and delivers efficient, cable-free charging. A perfect blend of technology and aesthetics, it adds a unique touch to any workspace or home setup. 12th, Desk Foot Hammock. Sitting all day can be uncomfortable, but this desk foot hammock provides ergonomic support while working. Designed to reduce back pain and improve blood circulation, it lets you stretch and relax your legs at your desk. Pregnant women and individuals recovering from injuries can also benefit from this footrest. Adjustable straps allow you to set the perfect height, while a sturdy base ensures stability. The hammock is easy to install under any desk and provides comfort throughout the day, making long hours of sitting much more enjoyable. 11th, Monitor Stand Riser. The Monitor Stand Riser improves posture and comfort by raising your screen to the ideal eye level. This prevents neck strain, reducing eye fatigue and headaches caused by prolonged screen use. The stand also improves air circulation for better computer ventilation. It features built-in storage compartments for holding phones, cups, pens, and other office supplies. A sliding space underneath allows for easy keyboard and mouse storage. Ideal for home offices, gaming setups, and workstations, this stand ensures a clutter-free desk while promoting a healthy sitting posture. 10th, Portable Laptop Desk. If you love working from bed or the couch, this portable laptop desk is a must-have. It features dedicated slots for a tablet, phone, and pen, keeping everything within reach. The wrist pad prevents slipping while offering a comfortable resting place for your hands. With a lightweight design and a built-in handle, it can be carried easily with one finger. 9. Adjustable Standing Desk. An adjustable standing desk helps you balance between sitting and standing throughout the day. Designed for single or dual monitors, it offers ample space for a laptop and accessories. A lever-based system allows you to raise or lower the desk effortlessly. Studies show that standing desks can improve posture, reduce back pain, and boost productivity. Whether for work or gaming, this desk provides customizable height settings for a healthier and more comfortable experience. 8. Aquarius Fountain Lamp. The Aquarius Fountain Lamp creates mesmerizing water effects that seem visually impossible. It can bend, freeze, rise upwards, split into multiple streams, and even display effects like volcanic lightning or the northern lights. Its slim design makes it easy to place in various indoor environments. When not in use, it functions as an ambient nightlight. Built with 60 LED lights, it varies their frequency at 75 to 100 Hz, creating an illusion of animated water. Multicolored effects like gradient layering and flowing rainbow streams make this lamp a unique decor piece. 7th, Viking Drinking Horn. Feel like a Viking with this gas horn drinking container. Designed for hands-free drinking, it comes with a removable neck strap and a display stand for when not in use. With a 24-ounce capacity, it's perfect for beer, cocktails, or any cold beverage. 6th, Sticker Maker. Unleash creativity with this sticker maker. Perfect for cards, homework, and personalized labels. Simply insert a cutout design, pull it through, and the back gets coated with adhesive. The machine works with various paper types, making it ideal for DIY projects. It's easy to use, with a tear-off strip for precise application. The refill system allows for quick replacements, so the fun never stops. 5th, Crosscut Shredder. Protect your privacy with this Crosscut Shredder, which quickly turns sensitive documents, ATM receipts, and credit cards into tiny strips. Designed for home and office security, it even shreds stapled papers and small plastic clips. Its high-speed motor ensures fast and efficient shredding, reducing paper waste. The large bin collects shredded material for easy disposal. Derdunge Nated Air Purifier. The Nated Air Purifier combines natural plants and photocatalytic filtration to clean the air in your home or office. It removes 99% of bacteria, viruses, odors, and pollutants, ensuring better health. With smart sensors, it detects humidity, temperature, and air quality in real time. The dedicated app allows remote monitoring and control, making air purification effortless. Unlike traditional filters, Nated never needs replacing, reducing waste and long-term costs. Third screen bar light. The screen bar light is a portable, glare-free lamp designed for laptops and desktops. Using an exclusive app, it adjusts brightness based on ambient light conditions. The angled projection ensures illumination without screen glare, reducing eye strain. It only uses 5 watts of power, making it an energy-efficient lighting solution. The color temperature automatically shifts, cool blue for productivity during the day and warm orange for relaxation at night. Second Teeka Modular Creation Kit. Unleash your creativity with Teeka, a modular construction kit designed for custom lamps, plant holders, and design objects. It consists of magnetic metal connectors and 5 different-sized wooden sticks, allowing you to build intricate structures. Choose from 3 connectable bases to create table lamps, wall decor, and unique sculptures. With a flexible joint system, it enables endless design possibilities. First, Hue 2 RGB Lighting Kit. Enhance your gaming setup with the Hue 2 RGB Lighting Kit. This kit includes individually addressable LED strips, a controller, and magnetic attachments for easy installation. Unlike traditional RGB lighting, the Hue 2 system synchronizes with audio, gaming effects, and monitor visuals, creating a fully immersive experience. It supports 4 separate lighting channels, allowing users to customize their PC case, gaming monitor, and desk. With smart presets and adjustable colors, this lighting kit transforms any gaming station into a breathtaking RGB battle station. Upgrade your room with these awesome gadgets and make everyday living more exciting. Which one's your favorite? Let us know.